Hello, my name is Niteesh Sundaram, and this is my term project for 15-112 of the spring semester for 2012. My project is called Write It, Do It. It is modeled after the Science Olympiad event, Write It, Do It. I basically have some buttons that essentially give you an about, kind of the story behind this project. I wanted this to be an educational game which would help kids and foreign nationals focus on their descriptive writing skills. Here are the instructions. Here are the instructions for player 1. Not going to get into the specifics, but here's some cool stuff I did with buttons. Instructions for player 2, and this is the instructions for the grader. It was really hard to make an automated grader, as this is based on drawing, and comparing individual pixels would be way too hard. It's really a more subjective thing, and even the actual Science Olympiad event is done with a human grader, so I decided to incorporate a human grader element into my program as well. And my contact information is here, just in case you find a bug or would like to ask me any questions. So, essentially we start the game by starting the game. You have 25 minutes to describe a randomly generated building image. For time purposes, I'm not going to take the whole 25 minutes, just going to do a small demo. So in this building we can see that there are traffic cones on the bottom. So I would say something like, there are traffic cones on the bottom right. They are orange. The point of this game is to be as specific as possible, because really this is developing descriptive writing skills. So once I'm done with that, I would click the Done button. Interesting thing now is I can't edit this because now it becomes read-only. So then the second player would come. The second player's job is to look at the description and try to draw the original picture based on the description. So now it's the second player's turn. Second player has a bunch of tools at his or her disposal. Here's a color wheel. For example, you can change the color. There's some purple, there's some yellow, and here's some red. You can also change the size of the tooltip. So for example, if I make it giant, it's just a much bigger thing now. I can also use a spray can kind of module that uses Monte Carlo methods, and the eraser is essentially a white pencil, so erases stuff. And then if I want to clear the whole screen, I click clear and I click on the canvas. It's kind of a confirmation. Pretty cool stuff. So if I was to draw that traffic cone in the bottom right based on my description over here, I would click, I don't know, thick, maybe medium. Click on the orange. First set it to pencil, sorry. Click on the orange, make it medium, and I'd start drawing. So there's my traffic cone. Alright, cool. So I also have 25 minutes. The second player also has 25 minutes for this part of the project. Then I would click done. And I'm now finished, and I now want to save it and take a screenshot of whatever the second player just drew, because it was really hard using just TK-Inter modules alone to essentially record all the data on the canvas and recreate it. So instead I would just ask the second player to take a screenshot. However, the instructions are easily savable. What I would do is click save, type the name of the file, let's say I'll just make it Niteesh, and click enter. So that saves it. If we want to see it, I would just go to instructions, Niteesh, and there it is. Same as right here. And also, once I'm on this page, my canvas thing is locked. I can't update it, so that prevents anyone from cheating or going back. So once I'm done and I've saved it, taken my screenshot, I just hit quit, and the teacher can grade it at a later date. That's all. Thank you.